Bolingbrook, hello. Why should you test your water? Oh my God, well, where do I begin? Well, first of all, it's the government that does the testing and the purification of your water. Yeah, that's right, the same government that does your taxes. Do you trust them? Okay, if you do, then go ahead and drink right out of your faucet. If you don't, then there are things in your water and you do want to test for it, right? There's usually found in the Chicagoland area hexavalent chromium-6. That is what the movie Erin Brockovich story was about. And yes, Julia Roberts won her Best Actress Award. Also being found in all of our water supply is forever chemicals. Forever chemicals is a byproduct of manufacturing of 3M and DuPont. It's in everywhere, it's in everything. So that's what that movie Dark Waters was in. That's where Mark Ruffalo did his acting, a big great piece of his work. And so if this stuff worries you, contact us. We'll help you test the water. We'll help you show you what's in the water. And that way you are better, well-versed in making decisions for your family's health. Again, our passion is at Angel Water is to teach you that you are one gigantic water filter. Yes, you're like a water bottle. You're 60% water, your brain's 90% water. So we want to help you understand what you're consuming because, yes, just like your mommy told you, you are what you eat and drink. So drink healthy water. That's our opinion. First, know what's in your water. If you don't like that stuff, reach out to me. Hit me up. I'm happy to answer any further questions you have.